In every Kids Firearms Safety 1 class that we do, we have different, types of firearms. We get to demo them for the kids. We get to answer kind of questions. This is a way for us to give good, relevant information to the public to make sure that they know the truth about these types of firearms. And so one that we always demo is this very special AR15 provided by Aero Precision, one of our title sponsors. And so with this one, we talk about obviously how the gun functions, what the features do, and the whole point of this is to give the families good, relevant information that doesn't have a spin to it. And so when we're demoing this rifle, obviously we always check our chamber. I have a chamber flag in here today just to visibly know that this gun is clear. And so what I'll do is I'll just kind of pull that out and set that to the side. We're clear. I always start with the front of the rifle. And so this is either a muzzle brake or a flash hider, depending on the style that you have on your rifle. What this does is it helps disperse the gases, helps manage the recoil, but also helps direct gases through this gas tube, which when the gun fires, gases are diverted back here, which helps cycle that bolt to the rear, which allows another round to be loaded into the chamber. It repeats the process until my magazine is clear, right? We're using dummy rounds today, and so it's a process. This is a semi-automatic rifle, so this is 1 round per press of the trigger. I have a foregrip here. This helps stabilize the rifle and make it help a little bit more accurate. This one is equipped with a flashlight. I also have a backup front iron there. I also have a rear irons here, and I also have an optic. This is what's called the magazine well here. So this is where if I was going to load this firearm, which I'm using dummy rounds here in my magazine, what I would do is I would seat that magazine, and then I have what's called the charging hinder here. And so I just pull back on this. Now the gun is loaded, okay? So obviously this is just a demonstration. I have a safety selector here, so that would be on fire. That would be on safe, okay? And so to unload this firearm, it's really, really important we do it in this order, right? So what I would do is I would drop my magazine first, and then I would pull back on my charging handle, which ejects that round, okay? Then I would make sure my gun is on safe. This is the trigger. This is also this is called the pistol grip, and this is my adjustable stock, okay? What is important to note about the adjustable stock is so it allows to customize the rifle to the body type. It could fit me, it could fit somebody 6'6", it could fit somebody 5'2". So the whole point of this is to make this gun, pretty customizable. And that's for, safety, it's for accuracy, it's to help manage recoil, and so this is something that we talk about in every class because it's really America's rifle. There's an estimated 40 million rifles like this configuration in our country, right? And so what we want to do is showcase that these rifles are not scary the way they're portrayed in the media. And so so many responsible law-abiding citizens have these, and they have these for sporting purposes. You can hunt with these, and they also use them for defensive purposes. And so we're really, really thankful for Aero Precision's continued support. And we're really proud of this rifle because obviously it has our little logo there and our verbiage. And so this is just a great tool that we use to help teach and educate the public.